Compact drones, DJI Mini 2 SE versus competitors. Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of compact and capable drones to see which ones can stand toe-to-toe with the popular DJI Mini 2 SE. Spoiler alert, we've got two incredible competitors that bring their own unique strengths to the table. So, if you're on the hunt for a drone that's lightweight, portable, and feature-packed, stay tuned because this video is for you. Before we dive into the competitors, let's take a quick look at what makes the DJI Mini 2 SE such a standout in its class. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone is perfect for beginners and pros alike. It boasts a 2.7K camera stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, offering buttery smooth footage. Add a 31-minute flight time and a robust 10 kilometers video transmission range, and it's no surprise that the Mini 2 SE is a fan favorite. First up is the Stone HS720E, a solid alternative to the DJI Mini 2 SE. Priced competitively, this drone punches above its weight with some impressive features. Pros: the Stone HS720E comes equipped with a 4K IS camera, giving you crystal clear video and reducing unwanted shakes. With 2 included batteries, you're looking at up to 46 minutes of total flight time. That's perfect for extended shoots. This drone supports GPS-assisted flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoints, and Auto Return Home, making it incredibly user-friendly. But no drone is without its drawbacks. Cons: the range is somewhat limited compared to the DJI Mini 2 SE with a max transmission distance of around 1 kilometer. While the build quality is decent, it's not as durable or premium feeling as the DJI. If you're looking for a drone that offers solid performance without breaking the bank, the Stone HS720E is a great choice. Our second competitor is the Ruco F11 PRO, another formidable rival to the DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's see what it brings to the table. Pros: the F11 PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera for stunning image quality. It also supports FPV for a live feed directly to your phone. With brushless motors and a flight time of up to 60 minutes using both batteries, this drone is built for endurance. Its GPS features, including Auto Return Home, Circle Fly, and Follow Me mode, make it a fantastic option for beginners. Cons: at 520G, the F11 PRO is significantly heavier than the DJI Mini 2 SE, which means you'll need to register it with the FAA. While it has great features, the app interface can feel a bit clunky at times. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ruco F11 PRO delivers excellent value for its price and is a reliable option for casual and semi-pro drone pilots. Before we move on, we'd love your support. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow drone enthusiasts. Your support means the world to us. So, how do these drones stack up against the DJI Mini 2 SE? Let's break it down. Graphic comparison. Camera quality. The Ruco F11 PRO and Stone HS720E both offer 4K cameras, but the DJI Mini 2 SE's 2.7K camera excels in stabilization. Portability. At under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the clear winner for portability. Flight time. The Ruco F11 PRO takes the crown with 60 minutes of total flight time. Ease of use. All 3 drones shine here with GPS-assisted features, but the DJI Mini 2 SE's app experience edges out the competition. Ultimately, your choice depends on what matters most to you. If you prioritize portability and premium features, the DJI Mini 2 SE is unbeatable. For budget-friendly 4K performance, the Stone HS720E is a fantastic option. And if flight time and endurance are key, the Ruco F11 PRO is your go-to drone. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top drones of 2025. If you're ready to pick up one of these amazing drones, we've included links to each product in the description below. Make sure to check them out for the latest deals. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, happy flying!